So when we take a look at analysis, the primary objectives for this activity cover kind of a broad range of things. Number one, some of our initial analysis can be involved in the validation and vetting of the information and evidence that is being collected and that is being sent to us if that information is coming from another party reporting an incident. And as we take a look at that information, ensuring that it's accurate, if we have an incident reporting form that we've used to have someone submit what they've seen as far as suspicious or malicious behavior in the involved parties, the type of activity that's ongoing, the time frames, what systems are affected. It can include collecting information on IPs and domains, host names, but really that validation and vetting, is this really an incident, and do I have all of the information that I need? So one of the parts of analysis is kind of ensuring that accuracy and completeness of the incident reports. Of course, the main thing is to characterize what is the ongoing activity, what type of potential impact or what type of ongoing impact can it have on our organization, our infrastructure, with our constituency, and ensuring that that information is passed to the relevant stakeholders and sites. Also, we're looking at capturing information about how any type of malicious activity occurred, as far as thinking about what was done, what were the methods used in any attack that was done, and any compromise that was completed, and understanding where there were problems, what the root cause was, where there were failure in security controls, failure in defenses that now could be improved so that we could prevent future occurrences. It's also looking into mitigation and remediation analysis, thinking about what type of steps can I take to respond and recover from this incident. It also involves trends, understanding the patterns of activity, so that we can look long-term how the ongoing incident fits into changing intruder trends, changes in threat targets, and any corresponding protective and defensive strategies that need to be changed in accordance with changes in intruder activity. And it can also involve identifying the root cause. This is usually done through additional technical analysis. So analysis is really iterative in nature. We do a little analysis, we learn a little bit more, we identify more questions, and then we ask those questions and try to do more analysis to actually further our understanding and get better answers to the questions. So it's not usually a one-time thing, it's usually ongoing as you get more and more information, more evidence about any ongoing malicious activity. What is actually being analyzed? Well, it's any type of information that may come from a person who's reporting the incident, someone that has seen something suspicious. It may be a sensor alert, and then looking at the related sensor, the type of logs from that sensor, the type of related network traffic that maybe need to be looked at. So we're looking at reports, we're looking at related log files, it could be email, it could be artifacts that have been found on compromised systems. So all of these things would be taken a look at as part of the larger analysis. However, some of that, such as malware analysis, are going to be performed as separate functions. If we look at incident analysis itself, incident analysis is really used to answer some of the initial key questions. So what do we think happened here? What's the problem? What type of impact? How widespread is the problem? How serious is that impact? Is it actually taking systems down? Has there been release of PII, personally identifiable information, that's going to require us to report to agencies for compliance because of customer data or health data or some other type of data being released? Is this known? Has it been